Okay, so breadcrumbs show and then sim type. And, breadcrumbs show arrays, show boolean, show classes, show constants, so on and so forth. So let me show you what that looks like. When you have something selected, so depending on where your cursor is in the file, breadcrumbs will show those those types, right? For example, we have actually, let me enable the icons temporarily. So let's set this to true. And if we select the, if we are, to the left of this comma, breadcrumbs will show that boolean. And this icon right here is the icon for booleans, right? So true or false. So if we set this to false, breadcrumbs will not show that anymore, right? But if we set it to true, it will. And this works for any type that's in the in all these options, right? Now, I do not use I do not like seeing symbols after uh, the the file name on the breadcrumbs. So I usually disable that. So I don't really care too much about these options right here. But if you do, this is what they do. They You can enable and disable the showing up of those things to the right in the breadcrumbs to the right of the file name, um, according to the type that where you have your cursor in the file. All right, I hope that was clear. So I'm leaving everything set to true because I do disable symbol path for breadcrumbs.